In this video, I will show you how to block ads on Twitch. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to the Google search, and basically you want to enter into the Google search Chrome Web Store. So what we're going to do now is click to go across to the Chrome Web Store from the search results, and what we're going to do from here is come up to the top right hand corner to the search box, and we're going to go ahead and search for an extension called Stream Cleaner. So it looks like this, so click onto this. So this is what it actually looks like. As you can see, there's a video here which says block annoying ads on Twitch, and what you want to do from here is come up and press the blue add to Chrome button. So now it's going to come up with a pop-up confirmation. Just go ahead and click onto add extension, and that's going to go ahead and add Stream Cleaner to Chrome. So what it's going to do is direct you to this page. There is a button here which says install Twitch ad blocker, but when you click onto this, it's just going to redirect you to the Chrome Web Store. Of course, it's already been added, so you don't need to worry about doing that. So now, as you can see, we're here on Twitch, we're on a stream, and if you look in the top left hand corner, it's coming up with a message saying blocking ads just up here. So as you can see, the ads are not going to appear. What's going to happen instead, you're going to get this up to the top left hand corner just saying blocking ads, and that is how to block ads on Twitch. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.